Hello, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a PopShelf haul to share with you. I'm excited. I was able to find some nice goodies. I haven't been at PopShelf in a while, so I went in to check on some of the Halloween stuff that they are carrying, because you know me, I love Halloween. So yeah, let me show you what I bought. And like I said, they do have some goodies, so don't sleep on PopShelf if you have one nearby. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out what I bought. Okay, the first thing I want to share is the stickers. I did get 3 different kinds that they did have. They didn't have many, so I was lucky to find these. These were on the bottom of their shelf. So yeah, let's look at this one. These are like puffy stickers, and you can't beat it for $1. And you get 24 count on this one. But look at all that. Look at all that nice goodness, Halloweeny, ghosty cuteness. Look at that. I like the little skull guy. So I got that one. The next one I have here, I like the colors. And there's another one for, you get 24. I actually really like the colors. With the orange, pink, purple, and blue. Oh, how cute is this? Love, love, love. And then here's another one, also 24 count. This is another bright color. I love it. You got this little skeleton right there. You got the little spider. Love, love, love. The ghosties. Even has some candy corn. And this one has like a gold, almost like a gold outline to it. And this one is, yeah, like a holographic. Oh, actually, this one has like a silver. Let's see what this one has. This one is just the shiny one. Oh yeah, so I picked up these 3 here. And like I said, can't beat it for $1. The next thing I hauled were these treat bags, and this one you get 26. And they actually had 2 different ones. They had this one and a purple one. I don't know if it was a witch or not, but I got this because I like how it does have like the little vintage feel to it. And it does go with the little ties. So that's that one. Another one that I have are these spider bags, and they also come with 26. And look at that. This is neon. Love it. Which actually will go with these. Well, this one really. So I got that one. And the other bag that I did haul was just a regular trick-or-treat traditional one. And this one also has 26. Let me show you that. Hopefully there isn't a glare. So that is another one. And this there about the, I think this is about the same size. This one's a little narrower and longer, and this one is a little wider, just a little shorter. So I got those. Another thing I had were these cuties. Look at these cuties. And I barely saw them. Well, I saw the pink one, but I didn't see this one until after. Look at that. They're little decor pieces. Little bats with the pumpkin, and these were only $3. So that, of course, I had the pink one. I had to have that one, and then I got the purple. But how cute are these? These are going to go on my craft table, just to put them there. Love, love, love. And then I went ahead and checked out the regular craft items. And like I said, I've been sleeping on PopShelf, but they have really amazing craft items. So I picked these beads up, and they do have 3 different bags. So you got the peace sign, the happy face, and the heart. And this was only, let me see, I think $2. Yeah, these were $2 on there. So that was a great deal. And look how chunky these bags are. Look at that. So that was a really good buy. I was impressed when I saw those. And in the same area with these. So the next thing I did get are some jemmies. And this one is 78 count. And I did get the rainbow one because we had a little bit of all the colors. And I figured it would go with all the brights, like the stickers and whatnot. That. And they do have jemmies with the even the little pom-pom balls next by color. So the jemmies, they had the mix, and then they had an orange, they had a red, blue, etc. So I also got that one. Another amazing buy that I found are these acrylic paints. And I wanted, of course, the brights. And these are actually the colors that I needed. And I got a plan to do this for Halloween crafting. But yeah, and this was only $5. $5. Look at that. You get 6. So it's almost like you get one for free. So that was actually a great value. And then the last thing I hauled was this air dry clay. Now, if you've seen some of my Temu hauls, I did haul some clay cutters because I want to make some of my own charms and cabochons and whatnot. So I was able to get this one, and this was actually $5 for this one. And I believe Walmart has it for like almost $6. So at least you save some money with that. So I got this one to try out the clay cutters. And that's actually my little haul from PopShelf. And like I said, don't sleep on it because they have some amazing stuff. I was able to find this stuff. So yeah, and the crafting had a lot. Only thing I was looking for was any Halloween paper pads because they usually have holiday ones. I didn't find any at this store. I don't know if they brought any out, but yeah. Make sure you leave a like, comment below, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.